In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Imperial massage chair. The only tool required for assembly is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, the first step is attaching the shoulder sections. Resting the shoulder pad on the chair and using your body for support, take the plug from the shoulder piece with the clip side facing up and connect it to the plug located on the body of the chair until you hear a snap. After connecting the plugs, slide the shoulder piece onto the two bars of the chair, ensuring that the leather on the chair is pulled back. The shoulder piece requires 3 of the screws provided with the chair, 2 of the small screws and 1 of the long screws with the washer. Tighten the 2 small screws into the 2 bottom holes on the outside of the chair and the long screw into the top hole. Once the shoulder piece is attached to the body of the chair, take the plastic speaker piece and slide it onto the opening of the earpiece on the inside of the shoulder section. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. In step 2, you'll install the arm sections of the chair. Similar to the shoulder sections, rest the arm on the edge of the chair and use your body for support while you locate and connect the 3 arm section plugs. Slide the arm piece into place, making sure the section with the plugs is lined up in the back and the front is properly lined up with the front of the chair. Then, using the longest screw and washer, screw the arm section into place from the hole on the outside of the chair. Next, attach the gray cap that came in the bag of parts. Each cap is labeled according to its respective side of the chair. With the arrow facing up, place it into the hole on the outside of the chair and twist until it snaps. Finally, screw one last small screw into the inside of the hip section, underneath the hip airbag, where you will find a square cutout with a screw hole. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. Before moving on to step 3, the footrest installation, you'll need to bring the chair into the upright position. First, plug in the remote by locating the cable next to the right hip airbag. Line up the divot on this cord with the divot on the remote cord. Connect and screw in tightly. Next, plug the power cord into the bottom right side of the chair and flip the power switch to on. Then, bring the chair into the upright position by pressing the red power button once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair into resting position. Once the chair is upright, slide the cylinder covers provided with the chair parts onto the footrest axles. Connect the power cord, ensuring the clip side is facing up until you hear a clip sound, then slide on the air hose. Pick up the footrest and place it onto the bottom housing of the chair. Make sure the side pieces have fallen properly into place. Next, flip over the metal tabs on both sides and screw them into place. Lastly, take the seat flap and the bottom of the seat cushion and zip them together. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Imperial massage chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle, like the extension program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and confirm that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.